Reality television thrives on larger-than-life personalities, dramatic storylines, and unexpected crossovers, but when fans recently learned about an unusual blending of TLC's most famous franchises, the internet practically exploded. The crossover involving stars from both 1000 LB Sisters and 90 Day Fiancé has quickly become one of the most talked about stories in entertainment news this season, sparking debates, fan theories, and endless curiosity about what is really going on. This shocking union of controversial figures from two worlds of reality TV has raised eyebrows, generated heated discussions on social media platforms, and left viewers wondering whether the networks themselves orchestrated the move or if the cast members made the leap independently. Whatever the truth may be, the impact is undeniable as the crossover continues to dominate headlines and set the stage for potentially explosive reality TV content. At the center of this crossover are some of the most polarizing figures that fans either love or love to hate. From the 1000 LB Sisters side, Tammy Slaton and Amy Slaton are no strangers to controversy. Their personal struggles, emotional breakdowns, and public feuds have made them household names, but their unapologetic behavior has also drawn sharp criticism. On the other side, 90 Day Fiancé has its own notorious stars who have made headlines for toxic relationships, questionable decisions, and shocking betrayals. When whispers began circulating that Tammy Slaton had been spotted interacting online with a former 90 Day Fiancé cast member, fans thought it was nothing more than a rumor. However, as photos and screenshots surfaced showing interactions between Tammy and certain names connected to the franchise, speculation turned into full-blown excitement. The idea of a crossover between these two TLC juggernauts feels both chaotic and fascinating because the shows themselves thrive on showcasing human struggles, relationship drama, and personal transformation, albeit in very different contexts. 1000 LB Sisters focuses on weight loss journeys, family tension, and personal growth, while 90 Day Fiancé explores international love stories and cultural clashes. Yet when controversial figures from both shows begin to intertwine, the result is a collision of drama that fans cannot ignore. According to inside sources close to the production world, Tammy Slaton has allegedly been in communication with a former 90 Day Fiancé cast member who is infamous for explosive fights on screen. The interactions reportedly began through social media, where Tammy has been increasingly active after all weight loss and transformation. Fans noticed the crossover connection when she liked and commented on several posts, sparking rumors of a budding friendship, or perhaps something more. Meanwhile, Amy Slaton's name has also been mentioned as someone who may be involved in cameo-style collaborations with other reality TV stars. If this comes to fruition, it could mark a groundbreaking moment for TLC, merging two massive fan bases into one buzzing ecosystem. What makes this situation even more compelling is the history of controversies surrounding the stars in question. Tammy Slaton has faced criticism for her resistance to medical advice, her turbulent relationships, and her social media battles with fans. Similarly, several 90 Day Fiancé stars have been embroiled in scandals ranging from accusations of fraud to explosive relationship breakdowns that played out publicly. Bringing these personalities together in any context creates a combustible mix that reality TV producers dream of capturing. Fans speculate that if cameras were to follow such a crossover, it could result in some of the most unpredictable and dramatic scenes ever seen on either show. The online reaction has been nothing short of explosive. Reddit threads dedicated to both shows are flooded with discussions, memes, and heated arguments about whether the crossover is authentic or simply a marketing stunt. Some fans argue that TLC is intentionally fueling the rumors to generate buzz ahead of new seasons, while others insist that the cast members themselves are organically connecting outside of the network's influence. Regardless of the origin, the buzz has succeeded in capturing attention far beyond the usual fan communities. Entertainment media outlets have picked up the story, and even mainstream publications have started reporting on the shocking crossover, labeling it as one of the most unexpected reality TV stories of the year. Another intriguing aspect of this crossover is the potential for it to redefine how TLC approaches its programming. The network has long been known for its niche reality shows that attract dedicated fan bases, but merging stars from two of its biggest hits could set a precedent for future collaborations. Imagine spin-offs where weight loss journeys intersect with cross-cultural relationship challenges, or joint specials featuring stars from different TLC universes navigating personal transformations together. While some fans remain skeptical about whether this crossover will ever officially make it onto screens, the sheer excitement surrounding the possibility proves that viewers are hungry for fresh twists and unconventional storylines. Critics, however, warn that combining controversial stars could backfire. Both shows have loyal fan bases, but they also attract critics who accuse the network of exploiting cast members' struggles for entertainment. Bringing together individuals who are already magnets for controversy may amplify those criticisms and raise ethical questions about reality television's boundaries. If the crossover spirals into toxic drama without meaningful resolution, the backlash could be severe. TLC has walked this fine line before, but this new development pushes the envelope even further. For Tammy Slaton, the crossover rumors come at a pivotal moment in her life. After undergoing weight loss surgery and achieving significant health improvements, she has been working hard to change her narrative and present herself in a more positive light. Yet aligning with controversial 90 Day Fiancé stars risks undoing some of that progress in the eyes of critics. On the flip side, it could also propel her into an even bigger spotlight, cementing her status as one of TLC's most talked about personalities. Amy Slaton, who has often tried to balance fame with family responsibilities, may also face new challenges if she becomes embroiled in the crossover frenzy. As for the 90 Day Fiancé stars linked to this situation, their motivations may vary. Some are reportedly seeking to expand their influence and remain relevant after their seasons ended. Others may genuinely connect with the Slatons on a personal level, bonding over the shared experience of being in the reality TV spotlight. Whatever the case, their involvement guarantees that the crossover won't be short of drama, given their track records of stirring headlines. The most shocking element for many fans remains the authenticity of the crossover. Is this a carefully orchestrated TLC experiment to test audience reactions, or is it an organic connection between reality stars who happen to live in the same orbit? While TLC has yet to confirm or deny its involvement, the network has remained conspicuously silent as speculation grows. That silence has only fueled theories, with some fans convinced that a major announcement is imminent. Others think the silence indicates that the network is scrambling to catch up with a situation it didn't anticipate but now sees as a marketing gold mine. In the world of reality television, where perception often matters more than truth, this shocking crossover between 1000 LB Sisters and 90 Day Fiancé stars is already a major success story. It has captured global attention, sparked passionate debates, and kept fans glued to every update. Whether it evolves into an official project or fizzles out as an internet-fueled rumor, the buzz itself demonstrates just how much influence these controversial stars hold. For TLC, the crossover might be the key to sustaining momentum in an increasingly competitive reality TV market. For fans, it is simply the perfect storm of drama, unpredictability, and entertainment value. One thing is certain, the story of this crossover is far from over. As cast members continue to drop cryptic hints online and fans dissect every post, the anticipation only grows stronger. Reality TV thrives on shock value, and this particular combination of personalities ensures that the shock factor is at an all-time high. No matter what the ultimate outcome may be, the world of 1000 LB Sisters and 90 Day Fiancé will never be the same again after this shocking and controversial crossover that nobody saw coming. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.